Hey guys, this is David with Contact Window Cleaning. I'm doing a quick video over construction debris removal from windows, specifically glass. This video is specifically going to focus on removing protruding debris. Debris is because whenever you're washing the window, you don't want something like this to get stuck behind your strip washer or your buff pad. And remember, your 4-aught grade buff pad is what you should be using. So the way that you remove it, or the way that we remove it, is you want to get the window or the glass around it lathered up, and then using a new blade, without putting the blade on the glass, what you're going to do is simply go in a forward motion and try to pry it off without touching the glass. It's a very delicate process, but I'll show you guys. See, I'm just focusing on the surface of it. Okay, once you have that much removed, you can go ahead and knock that off around it. Go ahead and get it wet one more time, and then with your 4-aught grade buff pad, lightly rub around it, and it should come off. You don't want to put any pressure because you don't want whatever is on it to lock up behind it and you drag it across the glass. So you can see we removed it. Go ahead and inspect the glass to see if there's any other protruding objects around it. You can also rub your hand over it, and if you feel anything that's very, I guess, bumpy, go ahead and remove that as well with the same process. So I used, it's called a Project Source razor for this. I would be doing this with a GoPro with my head mount, but I'm waiting on a new head mount right now. So let's go ahead and focus on getting the rest of the glass clean. Whenever you're doing construction window cleaning or post-construction window cleaning, you want to always focus on your edges and corners first, and then just go ahead and buff out the entire pane. And then what we're going to do is just check the glass right quick to see if we have anything else to remove. I'm doing this with one hand, so might not be perfect. Okay. Alright, as you guys can see, we have a little bit stuck at the top right there in the center of the screen. What you want to do at that point is lightly saturate your buff pad like so. I just squeeze it around and then just buff it out. And you never want, after you buff out the glass, you never just want to squeegee it, because if you look at it from the side, all that stuff that you rubbed in there, you haven't washed off yet. So for that reason, you want to go ahead and take your time and do it right. Buff the glass out thoroughly. And very important, wash it again. And whenever I say wash it, I don't mean just put water on the glass. I mean put a little bit of pressure with your strip washer to actually deep clean and wash that glass, although it just was finished being washed. So now let's just wipe up our edges, and then we'll go ahead and just squeegee the window clean. And then we'll do our last inspection. Everything should be good. That pane is clean. All that stuff that you see is on the interior portion of the pane. So that's specialty removal of protruding objects for post-construction window cleaning. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment area below, and I'll be posting more videos on this topic. This is David with Contact Window Cleaning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.